action. We back, y'all. But guess where? Y'all remember the tribute build? The K, was it K 10? Yeah. The K10 with the big old meats. Man, this is a beautiful truck. Y'all just don't get it. Beautiful truck. Hey, what year is this again?
83.
83. And I mean, you probably ain't gonna find a cleaner 83 with the goods. And the goods. What size wheels?
22 by 14.
And you have no problem turning them over, right?
Right.
And y'all know why? Boom! Chaka-laka, laka, laka, laka. He's moving and grooving with a 5.3 or 6.0.
No, it's a 370.
Oh! 370 make good power.
Yeah.
Good power. 370 with some Wu-Tang. Is it a Wu-Tang?
Yes.
And
GT45.
GT45. Man, he's got a control unit that I never knew existed. Edelbrock, right?
Edelbrock.
Edelbrock control head unit that controls this whole engine. I never knew that Edelbrock had it. Y'all take a look at that. Last time we came over, he's been out having a little too much fun. And Uncle Rodney came out and said, I'm going to see ya. He came out the bottom end. But he's got her all back together today, man. And I'm talking about this truck is nice. I'm over here touching it. I shouldn't. It's nice. Real nice. How does the Edelbrock work? Does it work on the same principle as tuning, self-tuning per se?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
It's very user-friendly, but not much as far as accessibility as a Holly.
Oh.
You're kind of limited to what you can do.
Mm-hmm. You camera shy or you good?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Because I'll put the camera on him, y'all.
I'm all right.
This is his truck, man, and it's a tribute build. Could you give us a little bit of the backstory on the truck, if you don't mind?
Yeah, it used to be my buddy's truck. It started out to be a mud truck, so when he had it, all we did was play with it. And then in 2013, he passed away, and the truck got sold. And 3 or 4 years later, I had finally come across it, and I was able to buy it back. And I've been building it ever since. You know, not much is original, but besides half the cab. I had to put floor pans, rockers, cab corners. Pretty much every panel on it is aftermarket. Doors, fenders, hood, beds, completely aftermarket. You know, but it's just a work in progress. Something to play with.
He said a work in progress. Look how pretty this work in progress is, y'all. Look how pretty this work in progress is. And you got you got cow hood too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Cow hood. Man. And there's a little bit more to the tribute. So definitely the tribute build is a very, you did it very good. Very good. Was it blue at one time?
Yeah, they call the truck Sparkles because it used to be blue and a gray, and whoever painted it threw glitter in the wet paint.
Okay.
And that's why they call it Sparkles. But I changed it. It's the color is actually off of like a 06 Silverado.
Okay.
I think it's Greystone Metallic.
Greystone Metallic. Are you going to try to take it at LS Fest this year? Possibly?
Yes, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
Oh yeah. So hey,
I missed out last year because I slung a couple rods out of it. But hopefully this year I'll keep it together long enough.
So y'all definitely get in the comments, thumbs up this truck, and be looking for it at LS Fest. And if y'all see it, you see him, and give him another thumbs up for seeing it in person. Because I'm telling you, what y'all seeing doesn't do it any justice. I'm telling you, you have to see it in person, man. Very nice truck, very put together well. Now, as far as transmission, are you running?
It's got a 4L60.
4L60.
Yeah, that I opened it up, went through it myself, and it's held up so far.
There we go. There we go.
But
there we go.
It's not on much boost at the moment, so.
There we go. Do you care to give us a fire up, or is it too late?
Nah.
Uh-oh, y'all. Listen. That is turning. That is turning. Sounds good. Got a nice cam in there.
Texas Speed Chopper.
The Texas Speed Chopper Cobber on boost. On boost. On boost. Texas Speed Chopper Cobber. Maybe one day we'll get a ride along. Maybe, you know. She sounds good, looks good. Man. That is a beautiful truck, y'all. Very beautiful truck. Very beautiful truck. Does the Edelbrock, did it come with a screen controller type setup too?
It come with the tablet.
Oh, it come with a tablet?
Yeah.
Wow.
It did. And the controller's hidden in the glove box there. It's right behind the glove.
Now that's cool. That is cool. So Edelbrock, there's another option for you guys, man. Like I said, I never knew Edelbrock had a LS set up for the engine management system. So that's pretty cool. I know there's others out there right now.
Yeah, that's actually it up there.
There it is. We can probably get a part number here in a second. What kind of lift you got here? You got
it's on 8 inches at the moment.
8-inch lift.
Yeah, it's a 6-inch spring with 2-inch blocks under it.
Okay. Man, he looks good. He looks good. It's a task getting in and out of it, though, isn't it?
Yeah. When the tires wear out, I'll lower it.
Okay. You got plenty of meat there, man. And y'all see that, man. These ain't no little bitty, no little bitties. That's a lot of rubber there, and he will sling them. He rip them. that old turbo noise will make it happen. Make it happen with the 4L60. Yeah, so again, man, y'all definitely be looking for this at the LS Fest this year, 2024. I'm going to try to find it, get a video footage of it. Somebody might offer you some money for it.
It's not for sale.
Oh, so y'all heard that. So don't even ask. Not for sale. Not for sale. Not for sale. Because somebody's obviously going to be watching this and say, man, my dad had one of those.
Oh, yeah.
Or I had one of those. Yeah. And it just bring back memories. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Bring back memories. And not only is it, y'all notice that it's a short bed. That's not a long bed, y'all. That's a short bed. So, somebody might come over and have a little talk with you with some meatheads. You say, what does it got to take? What does it got to take? Hey, I appreciate you letting me film this. Are you going to put it in the show?
I don't know about that. To be honest with you, it's been so long since I've been there, I done forgot what all entails.
Well, I'll give you the information you need. And, yeah. I think it's show worthy. For real. I really do. I really, really do. And then he's got another toy, working some bugs out on that. So y'all stay tuned for this too. Because he'll be out. He don't have the Boosty Boy on the side there. But he'll be out in the streets playing around with him too. So, but this right here. Be looking for it, y'all. Appreciate you letting me film it. We're going to get out. Be blessed, stay blessed. Swaps out.
The exact production numbers for the 1983 Chevrolet K10 are difficult to determine, but well-preserved models are becoming increasingly rare. The K10 is part of the Chevrolet CK series, which debuted in 1960 and included two-wheel drive C and four-wheel drive K models. The K10 was a half-ton, four-wheel drive pickup truck designed for customers who wanted off-road capabilities and versatility.